Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Hosting Our Lives. Today in this video, I will provide you a 100% working discount code for Hostinger VPS. So guys, in this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step guide how can you get maximum discount on Hostinger VPS by using our discount link and coupon code. So guys, first of all, I have provided you the discount link and coupon code in the description below. Click the discount link in the description and it will land directly to the Hostinger VPS landing page. As you can see that we are already on the Hostinger VPS hosting page. Here click choose plan and choose your plan that best suits you. Here for the video purpose we will use KVM2 as it's also a best deal and for a limited time only. Here we click choose plan. Here we can check that cart page is loading. This may take some time. So guys, cart page has been loaded. Here you can choose your time period like 1 month, 12 month, 24 months. But keep in mind that this coupon code and discount link will work only if you choose at least 12-month or 24-month plan, as discounts are only for long-term plans. Here we will choose 12-month and 24-month. Here you can choose as per your requirements. We will choose here 24-month for demo purpose. Here we select our time period. You can also check that you are saving already $264 US and it's only cost you $6.99 per month. Here you can check that have a coupon code. Click here and write a coupon code here. So guys, keep in mind that the coupon code I will provide you, this will provide 15% extra discount, but this coupon code only works if you use my exclusive discount link that is in the description and pinned comment below. So guys, we will apply coupon code that is BPVPS and click apply. So guys, here you can check that our coupon code has been applied and here 15% extra discount has been added and 20 you are saving extra 25.16 US dollar on this purchase. So guys, you can choose any plan, any VPS plan as per your requirements and go to the card page, use our discount link for opening hosting here and use our coupon code for maximum saving and then click continue toward registration or checkout page. Thanks for your time. That's all for today's videos. Goodbye.